our boots on the ground and we are going to overwhelm them. And that is why we are certain that victory is assured.
Ihlangano ye-ANC ithi nanyana kunentshijilo nje kodwana inethemba lokuthi izowathumba amakhetho kwangomnyaka ozako.
I'm quite angered that the state, the prosecuting authority and the investigators would have pursued a matter like this which had no merit to begin with.
It's going to be up to the defense currently of what are they going to do after.
Ikhotho yeBloemfontein ayikatholi ubufakazi obuqinileko bokuthi mbala ingidigidi zababhadeli bomthelo zathathwa ngomgunyathi.
Ngibona licembu lakithi lala eMpumalanga esifundeni saseMpumalanga liphumelela TS Galazi.
Iqela leStellenbosch FC siyaphumelela kulona umdlalo wale final elendebe kaKhalid neClaypole.
Kwaba kuhle ukuhlanganiswa zindaba godu ku-SABC 1 zesiNdebele lotshani isitshaba sekosi. Ikhetho le-Democratic Republic of Congo leveke zako liyokuba sitshijilo esikhulu ebuholini bukaMengameli uFelix Tshisekedi. Ukungabi nokunzinza ePumalanga yelizwe lya mraro ophathisa ihloko ebuhlungu. uTshisekedi bekabambe irally ngelesibili endaweni yangikhabo iMbujimayi.
uTshisekedi uthembisa abalandeli bakhe bona nakangafumani ithemu yesibili uyokwenza ngakho konke kusemandleni akhe ukuqinisekisa bona kuba nokunzinza elizweni eliya. Ungqongqotjhe wezemali uNicholas Kazadi uyavuma bona mbala ukungabi nokunzinza engcenyeni ngePumalanga yelizwe eliya kuthinte kumbi umnotho welizwe eliya.
Our objective is not to limit foreign investor only on the mining sector, but to help to be able to attract people who will help us in the diversification of the economy.
Lichitela msinyi ilanga lekhetho kanamajima okuzibayela amavotu aqine kangako ngehlangothini lehlangano ebusako naleyo ephikisako.
Ihlangano ye-ANC ibambe umbuthano ePumalanga yeJohannesburg lapho beyibuyekeza khona ihelo lenjamiso zalo zango-2019 ngaphambi kwamakhetho omnyaka ozako.
Umengameli we-ANC uCyril Ramaphosa ubethele ihlangano lezandla ngokunikela amanye amaSewula Afrika izindlu, inarha, igezi nefundo. Uthi nanyana kunomraro wegezi, ukuba khona kwegezi kodwa kuyimpumelelo. Ilizwe liqale nokuqindelisa kwegezi okudisibeza umnotho kuya phambili nengezelela ukulahleka kwemisebenzi evele ihlokwa.
We've basically given our people assets like housing. We're also giving out land. We've rolled out electricity, much as we are going through challenges. 93% of South Africans have access to electricity.
uRamaphosa uthokoze nephiko laboma le-ANC ngomsebenzi eliwenza kokulwisana nokukhahlumezana ngokobulili.
We would not have reached the stage where we are on gender-based violence without the ANC Women's League having led this fight.
Ihlangano leyithi inesiqiniseko sokubana izokwathumba amakhetho ngomnyaka ozako.
We're going to deploy our boots on the ground and we are going to overwhelm them. And that is why we are certain that victory is assured.
uRamaphosa uthi kunamahlelo khona zokusetshenziswa ukulwisana nokungena kwamaphandle elizweni elingongemthetho. Kanti uthi nanyana bakhona abanyefula ihlangano le kodwa nakuningi kwenzileko nanyana kunentshijilo nje.
Ikhotho yeBloemfontein ayikatholi ubufakazi obuqinileko obusijamiso seqiniso lokuthi mbala imali pheze ezingidi ezimachumi amabili yababhadeli bomthelo yathathwa ngomgunyathi. Ngosihlabanangana ikhotho le yaqunda ukuthi bekunganabufakazi obaneleko nobuqinileko bephiko lezokutshutshiswa komphakathi kungakho abasola bakhutshwa. Icala lisekhotho leli ngelemali lezingidi zamaranda ekuthiwa umnyango wezokulima eFree State wababhadeli Nulane Investment.
Leli licala eliphezulu ekungilo kwaphela ehelweni lamacala okugolwa kombuso esele lichukumiswa ekhotho. Ekutholakala abasolwa abahlanjululwa ngenxa yokuhlayela kobufakazi bombuso. Kwakhathesi iphiko lezokutshutshiswa komphakathi lihlela kuyokutshijila isiqundo sekhotho le, ekhotho yokuzibilayeza. Isiqundo sejaji unompumelelo kusha. Siveza ukuthi kunemniningwana engathungelalaniko. Lapha abasolwa abahlanu phakathi kwababunane bafake imbawo zokutshatshululwa. Kwathi uDokotela Lemakatso Morosi yena wahoqisa isibawo sakhe. Abanye abasolwa lilunga lalokhu lebhodi yakwa-Transnet obekasebenzisana nekhampani yakwa-Gupta u-Iqbal Sharma nosibari sakhe uDinesh Patel nesikhulu salokhu somnyango wezokulima uPeter Tabete.
Deems to be noted already at this stage of the judgment that Mr. Cezula is on this score a single witness. His evidence therefore as both a single and an accomplice witness stands to be treated with caution.
Abanye abofakazi bombuso akhange bazibandakanye ehlelweni lokwethula ubufakazi ngaphandle kweSimphiwe Mahlangu, isiphathiswa seofisi yezemali.
It is a significant failure by the state to have applied its mind properly.
Ikhotho beyiphenya ichebiswana lokuhwebelana nokubhadelana phakathi kweenkhampani zakwa-Gupta, iNulane Investment kunye neBank of Baroda.
There is not a tittle of evidence linking the company Islandside and Veronica Rogovan to any such dealings between those parties.
No such evidence with respect has been adduced in this court that in fact links accused number 4 to the Gupta family.
Umbuso ukandelela ukuthi unecala eliqinileko.
Court has to look at the evidence that we presented before you. And the question is, have we presented the prima facie case before this honorable court, upon which a conviction may result? And our respectful submission, my lady, is we have.
U-Iqbal Sharma wabanqophisi kwaNulane uveza amazizo wakhe ngesiqundo sekhotho.
I'm quite angered that the state, the prosecuting authority and the investigators would have pursued a matter like this which had no merit to begin with.
Isazi sezomthetho sithi abantu abasithandathu abe basolwa bangayimangalela ikhotho.
It's going to be up to the defense currently of what are they going to do after. Are they going to proceed with the malprosecution or are they going to just leave the matter as it is?
Ikhotho yokuzibilayeza idlulise isibawo sokuthi umbuso ungafaka isibawo sehelo lenkulumo-pendulwano. Lokhu kulandela ukudinywa kwayo ithuba lokuzibilayeza ngohoboyi.
Abantu abatsha kufuze bahlonyiswe ngensiza zokusebenza, amakghonofundwa kunye nekuthalo ezobasiza ukuthi bahone ukuvula amabhizinisi. Lo mlayezo ukhulunywe babelana abakhambele umnyanya wabonongorwana we-Step Up to a Green Startup National Youth Entrepreneurship Program obanjelwe eJohannesburg iveke le. Ngabonongorwana abakuhlonitshwa abantu abatsha bavule amabhizinisi amatsha we-technology ukusiza ngokuchukuluka kobujamo bezulu kunye nokwakha amathuba wemisebenzi.
Ihlelweli kubingwe ngalo ukukhuthaza ukungena emkhakheni werhwebo kunye nokunjinga umuntu asesemutsha ngokulithumela enkolweni zamabanga phezulu ezisemalokitshini edrobheni nemakhaya. Soloke ihlelweli lasungulwako ngo-2014 selihlomlisa abafundi nabotitshere abangaphezu kwe-100,000 elizweni lonke. Ngalo kubingwe ukurarulula umraro wokuchuguluka kobujamo bezulu kunye nokuhlogeka kwemisebenzi. Abakhambela umnyanya lo bakhola bona kungakhoneka ukuchugulukela emandleni wegwizi abuyekeziweko ngokwenza bona kufinyeleleke imithombo yamandla abuyekeziweko athengekako. Ihlangano yamazwe ngamazwe i-International Labour Organization iphengula bona umnotho wamandla abuyekeziweko uzokwakha amathuba emisebenzi ayi-60 million emhlabeni zombelele nakufika u-2030 kanti ayi-1.8 million azabe sekhethwapha.
Entrepreneurship, looking at climate change, looking at addressing the high youth unemployment that we have in our country is something that's important. And looking at solutions that can come from youth themselves is even more important.
Bangaphezu kwe-12,000 abafundi ebayingcenye ephaliswaneni lumnyaka lo kanti amabhizinisi angaphezu kwe-750 angenele iphaliswano lelizwe lonke lamabhizinisi. Abathumba abakhulu sikolo seGarankuwa i-Lip Science and Math School abenze intina ezenziwe ngehalasi nephepha.
The difference with us is that we use glass and paper while they only use recyclable plastics. So then the other difference is that we offer cheaper, more affordable bricks.
Ungqongqotjhe wamabhizinisi amancane uthi urhulumende kukatelelekile bona akhuthaza abantu abatsha abangasiyingcenye yomnotho.
It is in our interest as the department to focus on relaxing constraints to entrepreneurship and self-employment. This includes looking at factors that help enhance startups to grow.
Inthunywa zivumelana ngalizwi linye bona kunesidingo sokuthi bonke ababelani basebenzisane ukuqinisekisa bona kunemigomo enganambandela evumela labo abanamahwebo bona baphumelele.
Nasibuya entolo.
Amalungiselelo weholo sele aphezulu khulu kubhinciwe akusese khona ukusalele ngaphandle.
Abahleli bomnyanya waqobe eminyaka weholweni bathi konke sekujame ngokhabo lakhona. Ubukele indaba ku SABC 1 na ku SABC Plus. Indaba ezi ziyatholakala ku YouTube na ku Facebook. Nakusanda ukungena siyakwamukela nawe. Izakhamuzi ezakha imizi mageka nenqiwi zembandana eKruger National Park neMthethomusha Nature Reserve ziyeleliswe ngobungozi bembandana. Abahlali abaningi beMatsulu eMbombela sebathoma ukwakha imizi yabo nalapho ekuvame ukurabhula khona imbandana ezingozi.
iMatsulu isemkhawulweni ohlukanisa iKruger National Park neMthethomusha Nature Reserve. Ngangalapha kunedrata yesiqiwi.
Basinendawo so nawuthole indzawo vela wathi usikwendekana nesithole abantu vele konke labakhile. So nathi safasaka sasiyotsa maybe kuyahlatseka.
Sesithusa ngileti indlovu letiphumako every day lapha eTulu ngesheya laphana kwaphuma lokwesilwane bathi iTiger yadla tinja ngale eTulu ngale.
Impumalanga Tourism and Parks Agency isejimeni lokufundisa nokuyelelisa ngemililo yamahlathi.
Kulendzawo lele bakhe kuyo ngilendzawo la kufuneka sibe ngabe sicontrola khona letilwane letiphume efencing. So sifuna kugwema lesimo sokuchubeka kwalokwakha etfutane natalata wasesiciwini.
Nakusenjalo sikhuphukile isibalo semvakashi bukeli ezivakatshela inqiwi zenyamazana kulesi sifunda solokthoma inyanga ephezulu le.
Ukubiza kwempilo sele kudlula imali abantu abayiholako okwenza ukuthi kuhlayele indingo zabo. Amakhulukhulu wabantu sele azithola sebujameni bokubana kufanele bazame ezinye indlela zokuphungula indleko kanti nenthuthi nazo zibika kangako. Ngalokho ke abakhweli bagcina sebahayika. Iphiko lendaba le-SABC livakatshele indawo lapha kuhayikwa khona eTzaneen eLimpopo ngemva kobana kubikwe izehlakalo zokudlelezelwa kokugadwa kwabakhweli abahayikako.
Qobelanga abakhweli bahlangana la ukuzokuhayika inkolo ezidlulako. Nanyana abanye babo baye endaweni ezikude njengeGauteng kodwa nabanengi baye ePolokwane, eGiyani, ePhalabhura nakwezinye indawo eziseduze. Inlelesi sezizibonela umgodlo ovuliweko lapha. Kanti nanyana sekuyingozi nje ukuhayika lapha abakhweli bathi akunanto abangayenza ngombana inthuthi ziyabiza. Kanti nanyana abanye bathi babalekela inthuthi ezibizako abanye bathi ukuhayika kwenza izinto zibe lula.
Eshinamoro berekela ngitaxi haditseni ka mola. So that's why I hike. But usually namela taxi dirbe mbutsile. Arana mele lift.
Kanti nanyana inhlangano zamateksi thize kulungela ukusiza abakhweli ababhalelwa ukubhadela indleleso zirakela phambili lokugalaja abakhweli abangasoliko kwangangokuthi zigcina seziphatha umtshini wokubhadela i-speed point kugalajwa amakarata abakhweli abangasoliko.
Ba banamedi ba rene tlanene go rene le ska tshaba le re botse re na le 1 2 3 4 nyaka o ya kae o ta khona go ba thusha.
Amapholisa ayilisa abakhweli bona basebenzise inthuthi zomphakathi.
We know hitchhikings, people like to engage themselves in such, and these practices are actually endangering their lives.
Nanyana abakhweli bayeleliswe zimphathimandla nenhlangano zamateksi bona bangahayiki lapha kodwa nabakhweli abanye basaragela phambili nokuhayika.
Ubukhosi bengwenyama umabhoke wesithathu kaMayitsha buthi sebukulungele ukwamukela izitshaba nemvakatshe eminyanyeni wesikhumbuzo sengwenyama eyalwela ukuvikela kwenarha yamakhosi nabantu abanzima. Unyabela kaMabhoko isikhumbuzo lesi sithathwa njengethwayo lokubuyisana kwenitshaba ezazisepini le ngo-1883. uComfort Masomboka usihlanganisele nakumbiko.
iRos Senegal ingetshingalanga eGroblersdal ngesingini sesikhukhune eLimpopo. Le indawo amaNdebele angena kuyo ngo-1839 ngemva kokudlula kukamzilikazi kaMachobana wakwaKhumalo emlanjeni Ndubazi. Isitshaba samaNdebele wakwaNzunza sangena kule ndawo ebizwa ngokuthi konomtshahelo sidoswa phambili ingwenyamaso uMabhoko. Ngemva kwepi yamabhuru namangisi ngo-1882 amakhuwa nakasaphikisana nengwenyama unyabela kaMabhoko ngokusikwa kwenarha yakhe kwenzeka isike elizweni labomakhelwane abaperi bakwaMarutha kwabulawa ingwenyama uSikhukhune embangweni wobukhosi bakwaSikwati. Wayehlanganyele ekuphathweni kombuso wamakhuwa eTransvaal uCommandant General Piet Joubert kwaba nguye obuthelela amajoni azokuyokuzuma osolwa ngokubulala ingwenyama uMampuru wesibili owayo kubhaciswa konomtshahelo. Imkhulumiswano phakathi kwengwenyama unyabela noGeneral Joubert yokuthi amaNdebele anikele uMampuru ezandleni zabamhlophe yabhala ngokuthi unyabela athi uMampuru ngimginyile omfunako akangibulale angivula amathumba amthathe. Ipi yathatha inyanga ezibunane ukuthoma ngosinye ikhaba ka-1882 bekwaba nguvela abahlinze ka-1883. Amakhuwa asebenzisa iqhinga lokuvala amanzi nokutshisa amasimu ukubulalisa amaNdebele ngendlala ukuthumba ipi eyadlula namabutho amaningi wakwaNzunza. Umphumela wepi kwaba kubotshwa kwengwenyama unyabela noMampuru bayokuvalela ejele lePitori. Ngo-1895 umbuso wathi indawo le ngamajoni abhubhele epini uStephens Ross noFrederick Senegal. Indawo yakonomtshahelo yaba ngaphasi kwamagugu ukuthoma ngo-1937 kodwana yahlonitshwa njengendawo yamagugu ngokusemthethweni ngo-1968. Isibawo kwaba ukuthi kubunjwe isithombe sengwenyama unyabela siyokuhlonywa sijame konomtshahelo. Sembulwa kokuthoma ngomhla ka-19 kuNobayeni ngo-1970 okulilanga lesikhumbuzo sokucima kwelanga unyabela ngo-1903. Amalungiselelo omnyaka wanonyaka sekasezingeni lokwaphetha. Usihlalo womkhandlu wobukhosi uAaron Masango uthi umnyaka lo sikhumbuzo esiqhakatheke khulu.
Amalungiselelo weholo sele aphezulu khulu kubhinciwe akusese khona ukusalele ngaphandle yonke into ikhamba kuhle ukufikela kwanje njengoba silapha eholweni.
Umkhwezelo omnyanya uSonyosi Sikhosana uthi sebasilindile isitshaba.
Sesifike ekuphetheni wonke amalungiselelo umnyanya uzokuthoma ngen-17 bonke abafuna ukuzokuthengisa nabazokufuna ukutshengisa ngento zabo bayabhalisa.
Umnyanya wokuthoma ngomvulo iveke zako uphele ngelesibili iveke zako. Ngingocomfort Masomboka wendaba ze-SABC ngikubikela ngise Auckland Park eJohannesburg.